Friday Creek. What is it? It is a roughly 13-mile tributary in the Chugach Mountains that flows southwest into north bank of the Knik River, about 14 miles southwest of Palmer. The creek originates in the Chugach Mountains and descends from higher elevations, eventually joining the graded gravel and silt bed of the flat Knik River plain. The drainage area includes steep hanging valleys with terraces and canyons shaped by glacial retreat. Downstream, the terrain opens to flat, dotted with swamps and shallow lakes, formed where river sloughs cross sandy dunes along the Knik River. Now that we know what Friday Creek is, what does it mean for ATV riders? It means when Friday Creek is high, it saturates surrounding trail ground, turning modest mud spots into deep water or thick quagmires, major slowdown spots for ATVs. If you ride to Knik Glacier, you know this already. It could be impassable. So this area you are seeing now in the valley is not where ATVs cross. The velocity of the water here is just too much. ATVs wouldn't have a chance crossing here. Flipping over would be highly likely. So I wanted to create some footage here because I never knew what the valley looked like. Bringing the ATV into the valley would just be too rough on the machine, and a likely breakdown is possible. But I had to see it for myself. Well, this is as far as my drone can get, and that's what I'm sharing with you today. Alaska's backcountry is breathtaking. Towering mountains, glacier-fed rivers, and endless wild trails. Riding an ATV here is pure adventure, but the same beauty brings risk. Swift creeks, shifting terrain, and southern weather remind you, in Alaska, nature leads the way. Respect it, and the rewards are unforgettable.